Coinbase. The shares had rallied more than 6% on the day and gave back almost all of those gains after a glitch on the system. Caused a lot of concerns here about what was going on that platform. Sonali Basak joining us right now to walk us through what happened, Sonali, and whether it's been fixed.
Well, you have Brian Armstrong now taking to Twitter saying that the apps are recovering. What Coinbase had done is model a 10x surge, but this has been way more than that.
Yeah.
According to what Coinbase had tested, we know that Bitcoin, of course, is barreling well above 60,000. Coinbase, for its own right, is pairing its gains on the day.
So just to be clear, though, they're saying that this was because of all the enthusiasm coming into the crypto space, specifically with Bitcoin, and they just couldn't handle it.
Exactly,
okay.
Right.
Shouldn't they fix that to handle it?
How
did they do that?
Thing, and the frustration, right? Remember, this is the largest U.S. crypto exchange that we are talking about. They're very upfront about this being because of a surge in activity around Bitcoin, but certainly a lot of people answering and saying if you just bought an ETF, you wouldn't have to handle that. So really the debate coming up once again with the largest U.S. crypto exchange versus the new ETFs and what that means for Coinbase at the end of the day. Of course, Coinbase, for its own right, has been surging a lot off of increased activity, but on days like this, it's pretty tough.
And we're posting, we're showing the post on X social media platform. There was interesting, too, Sonali, there was a post by Citron Research basically saying go long Bitcoin, a short Coinbase, specifically citing this outage here. Not sure if that's great advice or not, but it gets to the idea that this is how investors are going to start to look at this.
Well, one big question around the ETF in particular is, interestingly, Coinbase is the custodian for a lot of the ETFs that are out there. Can Coinbase be making more and more money from businesses like that rather than the trading business? And if they were to lose some of the trading business here, because, you know, if you went on today to buy Bitcoin on a day where it's surging towards a new record high and facing problems around it, how does that impact your trading business moving forward? Now, again, they're experiencing so much versus trading volumes here that's good for business, but will it reputationally hit them in the end?